All right, let's talk about a true breakfast legend, the Japanese soufflé pancake. You've seen them, they're gorgeous, they're fluffy, and let's be real, they're kinda terrifying to make. But what if I told you we have a secret weapon? We're using an AI research assistant, NotebookLM, to be our personal Sous Chef. It's gonna cut through all the internet noise and find the real secrets. Let's see how this thing can take us from total kitchen panic to breakfast pro. You know exactly what I'm talking about, right? You're scrolling online, minding your own business, and then bam, you see it, that perfect, wobbly, cloud-like stack of pancakes. They're golden brown, they're jiggling, and you just think, oh yeah, I can definitely make that. And then, reality hits. What actually comes out of your pan looks a little, sad. A bit flat. Maybe a little crispy around the edges. It's that classic recipe fail. You hear that sad trombone sound in your head, and it's enough to make you just go back to making toast. But hang on, what if you had an AI sous chef in your corner? We basically told NotebookLM to do all the hard work for us, to sift through dozens of recipes, scientific articles, and cooking blogs. It can even generate an audio overview debating all the conflicting advice to figure out what really works. It's all about replacing guesswork with actual solid info.
I mean, look at this. This is the difference between chaos and clarity. The old way, you're drowning in like 20 different YouTube tutorials all saying different things. You're getting confused by conflicting blogs and just facing a whole lot of painful trial and error. The smart way with NotebookLM is just clean. It synthesizes everything, pulls out the facts backed by science, and just hands you a clear, proven method. It's like having a master chef whispering the secrets right in your ear. So, what did our AI sous chef actually find? Well, it turns out the secret isn't some kind of magic, it's just physics. After analyzing all that data, NotebookLM put together this secret checklist. Let's break it down. And here you have it, the core method, boiled down by our AI into 4 simple steps. Number 1, you've got to nail the meringue for that structure. 2, fold gently because you can't destroy those precious air bubbles. 3, create steam. That's the secret weapon for lift. And 4, probably the hardest part, you have to be patient. No peeking. It's all about understanding the why, not just blindly following the how.
Okay, let's zoom in on the most critical part, the meringue. The AI analysis pointed to this again and again as the one thing that makes or breaks the whole recipe. You need stiff peaks. What does that mean? It means when you lift your whisk out, that little peak of egg white stands straight up. It defies gravity. No flopping over. That structure is literally what's going to hold your pancake up.
And here is the total game changer that our AI sous chef dug up from some expert cooking forums, the steam chamber. So after you put the batter in the pan, you add a little splash of water to a corner and immediately cover it. This creates this pocket of steam that acts like a lifting force, puffing the pancakes up like magic. It's such a simple trick, but wow, it has a massive impact.
NotebookLM even created the perfect shopping list by pulling key details from food science experts. And 2 things are totally non-negotiable. First, cake flour. You need it for that signature ultralight texture. Second, and this is a great tip, separate your eggs when they're cold. The cold temperature helps the yolk and the white separate way more cleanly, and that's absolutely crucial for getting a perfect meringue.
But hey, let's be real. Some mornings, you just do not have the time or the energy to be whipping egg whites into stiff peaks. So our AI sous chef also found a brilliant backup plan. This is for when you want a super impressive breakfast without all the stress.
While scanning all its sources, our AI pulled this perfect quote from a top food blog to describe our Plan B. It's called, "The Ultimate High-Reward Low-Effort Champion." Okay, that is a bold claim. Let's see what we're dealing with.
Everyone, say hello to the Dutch baby pancake. Seriously, this thing is amazing. You literally just throw a few ingredients in a blender, pour the batter into a hot skillet, and bake it. It puffs up like crazy in the oven, creating this huge, delicious, edible bowl that you can fill with anything you want. It requires zero, and I mean zero technique.
So you see, this is more than just a couple of recipes. It's a bulletproof breakfast strategy. Thanks to our AI research, you now have a plan for when you want to show off your skills and a plan for when you just want something impressive fast.
And this chart just says it all, doesn't it? The soufflé pancake, yep, it's high effort, a 9 out of 10, but the reward is a perfect 10 out of 10. The Dutch baby, almost 0 effort, a 2 out of 10, but you're still getting a solid 9 out of 10 reward. You've got a masterpiece for the weekend and a champion for a busy weekday.
And that right there is the transformation we're talking about. You go from the sad trombone of a recipe fail to creating a breakfast that gets a solid 10 out of 10 from everybody at the table. It's that moment where everyone thinks you're some kind of kitchen magician, and you just feel like you've totally leveled up your game.
So, what are the real keys here to kitchen confidence? First, use a tool like NotebookLM to really understand the why behind any recipe. For these pancakes, it's simple physics. Stiff peaks plus steam equals success. Second, always have a great, low-effort, high-reward backup plan. And finally, remember that the real goal isn't just one perfect breakfast. It's about building the confidence to try new things.
Ultimately, it's just about feeling empowered, right? It leaves you feeling like you can finally take on those recipes that always seemed way too intimidating. Which really makes you wonder, now that you have an AI sous chef in your pocket, what impossible recipe are you going to conquer next?